the newly rebranded USA Today Co. just rang the opening bell to celebrate its new name and ticker symbol TDAY. Joining me now to share more is Mike Reed. He is the CEO of USA Today Co. Mike, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you, and thanks so much for having me this morning. Great
All right.
to be here.
So third time ringing the bell. What was it like to be up there and ring the bell this morning?
It's always such a wonderful experience. It's so exciting to be here on the floor, and I'm a huge believer in capitalism, so there's no better place to be than the New York Stock Exchange ringing the opening bell.
And what is USA Today Co. today?
Yeah, it's a network of local and national media properties around the United States of America. Actually, the biggest traditional media business in the United States in terms of digital audience. And so it's a collection of 220 local markets and the USA Today, which is our flagship brand.
All right, and you have a new ticker symbol, TDAY. What does this rebrand mean for the future of USA Today Co.?
Yeah, it's a very exciting time to rebrand. Our name formerly was Gannett, and Gannett was a brand started 120 years ago in 1906. It's a brand that not a lot of folks know in today's world, and so traveling around the country and actually around the world, talking to businesses, advertisers, investors, people didn't know what Gannett was, and when I said USA Today, everybody immediately knew what we were. So it was obvious that it was time to rebrand to USA Today Co. and to really tell our story of the digital business that we've become.
And digital revenue is approaching 50% of your total mix. Where do you see that going in 2026?
Yeah, we see it rising above 50%, so it'll be the main driver of our revenue in 2026. And from there, over the next couple of years, we see it surpassing 60% of total revenue.
And when do you think, if at all, you'll be like just a digital-only business?
Yeah, I'd say within the next 5 years or so, we'll primarily be all digital. Our audience today is all digital, but we still have a pretty decent amount of print revenue. But I'd say in the next 5 years, we'll be primarily digital.
And you've struck several AI licensing deals with major tech companies. Break that down for us.
Yeah, look, it's important. Our content is copyright protected. We produce new content every single day. It's extremely valuable to the AI companies, whether they're building models or doing AI answer engines. And we need to be compensated for the use of our great content we produce every day. So we've been cutting some deals with some of the major companies. We're excited. We're in the top of the first inning in terms of the opportunity for us. So we have an exciting future ahead, but we're just really getting started.
What will growth and momentum look like in 2026?
Yeah, we're expecting to reach overall same-store revenue growth in 2026. We're expecting pretty strong digital growth in 2026, kind of mid-single digits, and we're expecting another year of profit and free cash flow growth.
All right, and what's next for USA Today Co.?
I think we're just so excited to tell our digital story. I think our digital story is so unknown. We have one of the best reach in the country. We have a tremendous amount of data on the consumers. Our engagement's improving, and so we have such a wonderful opportunity to tell that story and become a much more utilized tool for businesses around the country.
All right, Mike Reed, Chairman and CEO of USA Today Co. Thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.